Check out the special features in Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets by using the Explore button. It will help you create and compose elements that will make your files so great that they belong in a museum. Google Sheets is a powerful app that can be a little tricky to use sometimes. The Explore button will help make that easier. Prepare to have your mind blown. You will find the Explore button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Right away after clicking it, you're going to see that the Explore button wants to try to guess how it can help you. In the middle portion of this window, you can see the alternating color features. Also notice an undo button pops up at the bottom to help you confirm or reject your selection. Scroll down a little further and you'll see suggestions of potential charts. Google Sheets reads the data automatically and creates a few sample charts. Below the chart, you'll see a brief analysis of a piece of the data pulled from the sheet. You'll also notice a few more buttons in the upper right part of the chart area. Let's zoom back out so we can see what they do. Clicking on the chart button will put a copy of the chart on your Google Sheet, which you can move around and edit as you see fit. Notice as you hover over some of the items in the sample chart, it actually shows you the data that will be displayed. Scrolling even further down, you will see different sample charts analyzing different parts of data from your table. Again, you can hover over each part to look at the data more in depth, or click the magnifying glass to see a preview of that chart. You can still hover over individual parts of the chart to look at the data. When you're done, click the X to close the preview. If you'd rather not use the suggestions from the Explore button, you can actually type in the upper part of the window and put in your own suggestions. In this case, I'm asking for the average winning percentage. It automatically finds that column, shows the percentage right here, shows the formula if you'd like to copy the formula over, or you can drag it to the cell where you'd like the formula to be. The Explore button does such a good job of analyzing the data in the table, you can type in more complex sentences. In this case, I typed number of wins 2010 to 2015. It automatically created a sum function for that information, and again, it has a complex formula which you can drag to the spot of the chart where you'd like it to be. Uncover the treasures that await beneath Google Sheets' Explore button and prepare to have your mind blown.